Difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic transcription. Transcription basically is the process by which RNA is synthesized from the DNA template. So in case of prokaryotes, coupled transcription and translation is carried out. In case of eukaryotes, it cannot be carried out. That is, coupled transcription and translation is not possible. Prokaryotic transcription occurs in cytoplasm, while eukaryotic transcription occurs in nucleus. There is no definite phase for the occurrence of prokaryotic transcription, while the eukaryotic transcription occurs in the G1 and G2 phase of the cell cycle. A single RNA polymerase synthesize, and the types of RNA, mRNA, tRNA, rRNA in case of prokaryotes, while RNA polymerase 1, 2 and 3 synthesize rRNA, mRNA and tRNA respectively. The RNA are released and processed in cytoplasm, and the RNA in case of prokaryotes. In case of eukaryotes, the RNA is released and processed in the nucleus. Initiation of transcription doesn't require any kind of protein or initiation factors for prokaryotic transcription, while for eukaryotic transcription, initiation of transcription requires many transcription factors, which are TF2A, TF2B, TF2D, E, F and H. These transcription factors recognize the Tata box. In case of prokaryotes, the pre-RNA molecules are released and processed in cytoplasm, while in case of eukaryotes, the pre-RNA molecules are released and processed in the nucleus. Prokaryotic RNA polymerases are complexes of 5 polypeptides, and eukaryotic RNA polymerases are complexes of 10 to 15 polypeptides. The mRNA primary transcript has fewer surplus nucleotides in prokaryotes, while the mRNA primary transcript has a large number of surplus nucleotides in eukaryotes. Transcriptional unit has one or more genes, that is, it is polycistronic in prokaryotes, while the transcription unit has only one gene, that is, it's monocistronic in eukaryotes. Transcription and translation are nearly simultaneous, and little processing of mRNA occurs. In case of prokaryotes, the processing of hnRNA includes addition of 5' cap T-methylguanosine and addition of 3' poly A tail. In case of eukaryotes, the 23S, 16S and 5S rRNA are formed from a single primary transcript in prokaryotes, and 28S, 18S, 5.8S and 5S rRNA are formed from 2 primary transcripts in eukaryotes. Inhibitors of prokaryotic transcription include first rifampin. The RNA polymerase binds to the beta subunit, and actinomycin. It intercalates to interrupt the transcription. The inhibitor for transcription in case of eukaryote includes alpha amonitin, which inhibits the RNA polymerase 2 more strongly.